Hey guys, happy Friday. What should I do today? Probably something small. So I'm going to add some small feature to my demo application. What you see is the one, so the short URL service I have been working on for a couple of weeks. So if you have followed my channel, you should be aware of it. So if you are not, feel free to check out the video or playlist on the top right corner. You should see what I've been working on. So hopefully you can get something out of it. Okay, today I'm going to add a pretty small feature to the application. When user create a short URL for some original or long URL, he or she might want to share on some social media, typically Twitter. So today I'm going to add the Twitter share to the application. Now let's see. Actually, I have already finished the code change, so I'll walk you through on how to do it. It's not a new tech, so there should be enough posts, blogs, videos talking about it. I just walk you through the step-by-step instruction on how to get it done in the Laravel application. So feel free to comment below if you have any better way or method to do the same thing. Firstly, let's look into the official Twitter developer documentation about tweet button. I will share the link in the video description. Essentially, you just need to follow 4 steps, actually 2 or 3 steps, to complete this whole job. Firstly, you should add the share button mockup on your page. Simple enough. And pre-populate tweet text and suggest related accounts. For now, you can skip this part. Everything can be customized, configured as tweet button parameters or with the parameters. So you can click this link to see all the supported button parameters. And pay attention to this example. This is what I'm going to use or what I used in my code base. Okay, let's come back to the steps. So the last step is to asynchronously load the Twitter widget, the JavaScript widget on the web page. There is a recommended way or suggested way to do so. You can copy and paste the code snippet in your template or HTML markup. I didn't strictly follow this step. I will show you what I did. Essentially, it's just to load the widget on your page. Okay, that's it. So I will now walk you through what I actually did in my code base. Firstly, if you see the page here, the short URL list, for each short URL, I have a share button here. So we need to firstly load the widget. I put the script tag here to load the widget. You can also follow the official documentation to complete this step. The next step is to put the share button on the page. So in my case, I need to go to the view component which render this list. That's the one, the index.view. So in this component, I add a new div container below the short URL. So for under each short URL, there's a share button. The tag is also copied from the example. I changed a couple things here. So firstly, the data size. The size is to identify or specify the size of the button. You can specify as large, so it will be bigger. So the same as what you see here. If you put any other value, it will be the default size. It's smaller. So if I refresh page now, you can see it's smaller. So that's it. So 2 options for the data size, for the bottom size. The other thing is the text and the URL. These 2 data attributes are used to specify what text and what URL you want to put in the tweet. And this is a view component, so we need to use the view syntax to dynamically set the value of these 2 attributes. And hashtags, this is what tags you want to put in the tweet. Remember to separate them by comma. Via, so this is you want to add in your tweet the account. Sometimes if you are running a product, you have a official Twitter account for it, so you might want to put it here, your official account here for promotion purpose. Okay, that's it. Okay, and that's everything you need to do in the code base. Now let's come back to the page. Let's try it. If I want to share this short URL, remember the short URL ends with KKAM, and the title is "The Cold Dose of Reality Awaiting," blah blah blah, Elon Musk. Okay, let's share. Now you can see the title, the short URL, and then via Excel to link. So this is what I set in the share button. Now I can share it. Once I click tweet, it will be published to my flow message. What's called story line, message line, timeline. Yeah, that's where it goes. Okay, I think that's it. Pretty simple, right? And yeah, of course you can use your CSS magic to style the bottom as you wish. The other thing is that I like to share a bit of the technical details. So each bottom here is actually an iframe. So I'm not sure if you like this way. So just from technical point of view, I see some discussion about this link called twitter.com/share. A lot of posts talking about it. So you can use it to build your URL or button on the page, and when user click, they can also share or post a tweet. So feel free to check them out and give it a try. There are some discussion on different websites talking about the issues in such a share method. So feel free to check them out and see if it's what you want to use in your application. Anyway, so what I'm sharing now is the official method of the Twitter platform, so how to share using their tweet share button. And that's it for today. Again, I will commit a code, make a PR, share in the video description, so feel free to check it out. Of course, you can add more share buttons there so that you can share the short URL to, say, Facebook, to WhatsApp friend, or even some other popular media platform. Okay, that's it for today. And thanks for watching. If you feel it's useful, again, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and ring the bell. Okay, have a nice weekend. See you in the next one. Bye bye.